Hey, it's Walter Van Dusen back in Trondheim, Norway with
Sondre.
And this is a follow-up from our 2019 2.5-day panel build. And we just wanted to catch up with
Sondre, sorry.
And he's just going to tell us what's new and exciting after 5 years, right?
Yeah. So when Walter last was here, I was still an apprentice. And still building everything beneath the sun. I still do that, just a lot more.
What's some of your new responsibilities and stuff?
Yeah, I'm also upgraded to a team leader on the working floor. I go a lot, go outside a lot, do service and help customers, and a little bit of work in the office.
Oh,
you could say.
And you're in a happy relationship from last time you were?
Yeah, I have a beautiful girlfriend that'll live with me now.
How about that?
Yeah.
So 5 years at this place, and he's only one spot over.
Yeah.
And you basically are the floor.
Yeah, the floor manager.
Yeah.
Team leader.
Which is from apprentice to team leader.
Yeah.
Also has a certification for forklift, right?
Yeah. The forklift.
So a lot of big changes, and you have a cool beard. But he's
just
still
lazy.
No, you trim your neck. I can see that. Yeah, but it's about 5 years, and I couldn't wait to come back and say hello. And next time, maybe I can do another panel build.
Yeah.
For 5 days. I have to stay with Tron for up maybe in the attic. Well, thank you very much for saying hello again. But I'll have a link on the video. It's a 2-parter video. It was it wasn't super small, but it was an okay size.
Yeah, absolutely.
I really enjoyed it. It was 2.5 days. So.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Till next time, you'll be in the office permanently. Thank you.
Maybe.